Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the tablet. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the tablet. Before you begin, remove the display cover. Removal. Remove the 14 4mm P0 Phillips-head screws that secure the middle frame to the display panel assembly. Starting near the volume button, use a case separator tool to carefully separate the left, bottom, right, and top edges of the middle frame from the display panel assembly. Caution: to prevent damage to the display panel assembly and middle frame, take extreme care when the case separator tool is near any of the external buttons or connectors. Caution: the retention tabs that secure the top edge of the middle frame are very strong. Take care when removing this section of the middle frame. Remove the middle frame. Replacement. Note: before installing a new middle frame, remove the following from the old middle frame and install on the new middle frame. Power volume button. Place the middle frame onto the display panel assembly. Carefully press down on the edges of the middle frame to snap it into place. Replace the 14 4mm P0 Phillips-head screws that secure the middle frame to the display panel assembly.